It might be easier to take the seat out though.
Driver's seat should be pretty easy to come out. Passenger seat kind of takes a minute.
Hey, take your steering wheel off too.
Jesus Christ!
Take your car apart.
I don't actually like working on it.
I don't either. Fuck him.
I bought a damn Mustang. You're not supposed to have to work on it. They lied to me. They said buy the car. All you gotta do is change the oil.
It didn't include putting gas in it either.
Doesn't include making it Pro-Am legal. Fucking human. It's like, you need intrusion bars. It's like, I'm not planning on crashing. I forgot, I don't crash.
You could probably adjust this some more to make it grip up or lock up easier.
I might put my dual calipers on next week.
If you,
I've just been procrastinating on everything, waiting to see if we're gonna actually put intrusion bars in it.
Looks like some janky ass shit to me.
Was your actual handbrake still working?
That's what I was worried about.
Catch water already?
No. Need a grinder. Where's it at? I can just use this.
Yes, you can. That's what I think about intrusion bars.
What do I think about intrusion bars?
We
This
don't
is also
crash,
what
we
I
don't
think
need
about Jeff.
I love this fan.
Curving his.
Doesn't look anything like what they're supposed to look like, I don't think.
They don't have to go straight out.
I know they don't, but that's like at a hard angle.
It doesn't matter. It's just to keep. It's just to protect your feet.
Okay.
Trust me, that will work. There's no other place to put it. I mean, literally, there's nowhere else to put these things.
Don't bring Ryan into this.
Who?
Ryan?
Who's Ryan?
You said literal.
Is that Andrew Lewis?
No, you said literally.
No, I said Lewis.
You just said literally. There's nowhere else to put it. I said don't bring Ryan into
Oh,
this.
literally. I get it.
What better day than now?
Come on, son. It's time to stop being a pussy.
Either way, I know
Back
one thing's
out.
for sure. Black Mustang's winning next weekend either way.
Regardless.
This the one's gonna win ain't gonna have a top though.
How is my roof going to get ripped off?
You can drive over the top of your car, that's how.
I don't think I need a roof. I just, as long as the cage is still there.
Shit's warped as fuck.
You brought it over here.
I know, but it's sat out here in the sun so many times.
Think we can use Sawzall for this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Fuck! Good to go. All the gas.
Here, unplug your battery.
Good idea.
Huh?
Well, 100 race.
No.
100 race. Who the hell did that? You fucking shitting me.
Matt and Jeff. Good luck getting that fucker on.
Only raising a bit. Son of a bitch.
I did that. What'd you do?
Like this thing just decided to work because we got it way too hot.
I
The
wonder
thing
why.
that holds the coals is like all fucked now. Perfect.
So right now they're grinding off the coal. Make sure it's got the right angle.
I mean, he's doing pretty good for his first time ever doing this.
It's true.
Oh yeah, it looks fucking great. Make sure it's out of my clutch pedal. Huh?
Some nice
Said you
contrast.
want it all the way over here, Jeff? Yeah, I want it right in the way of my clutch.
You're right on camera.
We'll weld this up together and stick it back in there. Maybe turn the heat down a little too. Seems like it's great.
Food time, bitches!
You little bitch.
Actually, 30-32s. It's just regular leaking.
Push my helmet down.
Farther?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good.
Right.